Mario Batali was once one of the most recognizable chefs in the United States, a figure whose influence stretched from restaurant kitchens to television studios, publishing houses, and international food culture. His rise and eventual fall reflects the intersection of celebrity, power, and accountability. Mario Batali was born on September 19, 1960, in Seattle, Washington, to Marilyn LaFramboise and Armandino Batali. His father was of Italian descent and his mother had French Canadian ancestry. Batali's paternal grandmother was from Chieti, Italy, while his paternal grandfather was from Lucca. In 2006, the Armandino Batali founded the Seattle restaurant Salumi, continuing the family's connection to Italian food tradition. Batali attended Rutgers University in New Brunswick, New Jersey, where he worked as a cook at the popular pub and restaurant Stuff Your Face. While at Rutgers, Batali lived with future actor James Gandolfini, who went on to be featured in The Sopranos. He graduated in 1982. Early in his professional career, Batali trained under chef Jeremiah Tower at the San Francisco restaurant Stars, which operated from 1984 to 1999 and is widely regarded as one of the birthplaces of the modern celebrity chef movement. By age 29, Batali was working as a sous chef at the Four Seasons Biltmore in Santa Barbara, following an earlier position as sous chef at the Four Seasons Clift Hotel in San Francisco. Batali gained national recognition through his Food Network series, Molto Mario, which aired from 1996 to 2004 and focused on Italian cooking. The show helped popularize the Food Network itself and made Batali a household name. He later appeared on other Food Network programs, including Iron Chef America, Ciao America with Mario Batali, and Mario Eats Italy. In 1998, Batali partnered with Joe and Lydia Bastianich to form the Batali and Bastianich Hospitality Group, also B&B Hospitality Group. Its flagship restaurant, Babel, in New York City, earned a Michelin star for several years. I really advise you guys to follow Lydia Bastianich. She's an awesome celebrity chef. She even owns restaurants in several parts of America. From 2011 to 2017, Batali co-hosted the ABC daytime talk show, The Chew, expanding his presence beyond culinary programming. In 2012, Batali and B&B Hospitality Group settled a lawsuit with 117 restaurant employees who allege that the organization had been improperly skimming tips over an extended period of time. Batali married Susie Kine in 1994 and the couple had two sons. Through marriage, Batali became the son-in-law of Miles and Lillian Kahn, founders of Coach New York. His brother, Dana Batali, served as director of Pixar Renderman development from 2001 to 2015. Batali publicly opposed hydraulic fracturing and fracking, joining chefs of Marcellus, an organization focused on protecting New York's agricultural food systems. In 2013, he co-authored an opinion article warning the potential damage fracking could cause to the region's food economy. In 2008, Batali and his wife founded the Mario Batali Foundation, which funded children's educational programs and pediatric disease research. He also served as an ambassador and board member of the Lunchbox Fund, a nonprofit providing meals to students in Soweto, South Africa. Batali has stated that his philosophy of Italian cooking emphasizes simplicity, an approach he attributed to time spent working in Borgo Campane, Italy. On December 11th, 2017, restaurant news outlet Ether reported that 4 women had accused Batali of sexual harassment and sexual assault. Within days, additional women came forward. Batali took a leave of absence from the Batali and Bastianich Hospitality Group. On December 14th, 2017, ABC terminated his role on the Chew. The Food Network halted planned releases of Molto Mario episodes, and Target announced it would no longer sell his products. The New York Police Department confirmed it was investigating Batali, including an alleged incident at the Spotted Pig, a restaurant in which he was an investor. Batali denied committing sexual assault, but stated that his past behavior had been deeply inappropriate and he expressed remorse. That same month, B&B Hospitality Group announced the closure of its Las Vegas restaurants after the Las Vegas Sands Corporation ended their business relationship. In January 2019, the NYPD declined to have Batali be charged for the 2 alleged sexual assaults, citing insufficient evidence. In May 2019, Suffolk County prosecutor Nina Bonelli charged Batali with misdemeanor assault and battery following an affidavit filed in the Boston Municipal Court Central Division. Batali was summoned to court and pleaded not guilty before Clerk Magistrate Mark Concannon. He was represented by private defense attorney Tony Fuller. Batali went to trial in May 2022. Judge James Stanton ultimately found him not guilty on both charges, resulting in an acquittal. In March 2019, Batali surrendered ownership of his interest in Batali and Bastianich Hospitality Group and sold his minority stake in Italy. That's a company, a business, which has several sites that are both a restaurant and Italian grocery store. The Bastianich family announced that the company would be renamed. Batali became the first chef to fully divest from all restaurant ownership following misconduct allegations. In July 2021, Batali, Joe Bastianich, and their former restaurant company agreed to a $600,000 settlement with the New York State Attorney General's office, distributing payments to more than 20 former employees of free Manhattan restaurants. Mario Batali's career represents one of the most dramatic arcs in modern culinary history, from industry pioneer and television mainstay to a figure removed from the public platforms that once defined him. His case remains a touchstone in discussions about power, workplace conduct, and accountability in the hospitality industry. Thank you for listening to this episode of Strawberry Inc. Till next time, stay safe, take care, and have a good rest of your day.